Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray has broken his silence amid speculation over the loyalty of some party MPs. Addressing a meeting of party MPs, Thackeray said he would not force anyone to remain in the party if they wish to leave. If they want to go, let them go, Thackeray said. He added that there was no point in forcing anyone to stay against their wishes. He said that those who decide to leave are free to do so and would receive his good wishes. Thackeray compared the current situation to the 2022 split in the Shiv Sena that he recalled the rebellion led by Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. He said he had sensed the rebellion long before it became public but chose not to pressure anyone. The Shiv Sena chief said he was aware of developments at the time. However, he did not take action against those who later left the party. He said he did not use government agencies or investigations to stop them. Referring to the split, Thackeray said those who left the party founded by Bal Thackeray would eventually regret their decision. He said such regret may come too late. The remarks come amid growing speculation over a possible attempt to poach Shiv Sena MPs, and the discussion gained momentum after only 4 of the party's 9 Lok Sabha MPs attended a meeting in Mumbai in person. Reports of an alleged Operation Tiger further intensified the political buzz. The reports claimed efforts that were being made to engineer defections from the Uddhav Thackeray-led party. According to party leader Sanjay Raut, 4 MPs attended the meeting physically while several others joined virtually. Another MP reportedly spoke to Uddhav Thackeray over the phone and is expected to meet him soon. Despite the speculation, party leaders have strongly denied any threat to defections. Shiv Sena leader Aditya Thackeray said all 9 MPs remain with the party. He urged supporters not to believe rumors. Aditya said the party leadership had full faith in its MPs. He also pointed out that senior leaders campaigned extensively for them during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Sanjay Raut also dismissed concerns over possible defections. He said all party MPs continue to stand firmly with Shiv Sena. Raut stated that the leadership trusts its elected representatives. Taking a swipe at political rival, Raut said that if opponents are planning an Operation Tiger, the party is ready with an Operation Wolf. For now, Shiv Sena leaders maintain that the party remains united despite ongoing speculation and political rumors. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.